On June 19, the Supreme Court said that the right to walk on demarcated footpath is a fundamental right. So here I am today at Panchsheel Park, and let's take a walk here to see how safe and accessible footpaths are for pedestrians in this part of the city.
As soon as you exit Panchsheel Park metro station through gate number 2 and begin walking towards Panchsheel Enclave, you're forced to step off the footpath within a few steps because the stench of urine from the adjoining wall is unbearable. The problem extends far beyond those first few meters. In fact, the entire boundary wall of the government school running parallel to the footpath has effectively become an open urinal for men, making the entire stretch impossible to walk along comfortably.
मैं वैसे रियल एस्टेट उसमें हूँ कंपनी में, तो यहाँ से मेरी हमारी साइट चल रही है स्वामी नगर में, तो डेली का मेरा आना जाना होता है ये साइट विजिट के लिए। तो ये जो फुटपाथ जो जितना भी बना हुआ है इस पे तो लोग यूरिन कर रहे होते हैं, बैटरी चार्जिंग पॉइंट बना रखे हैं, तो यहाँ लोग फुटपाथ पे ना चल के रोड पे ही चल रहे होते हैं।
Over the course of this series, we've covered multiple stretches, and I've personally walked each one to document its condition. This, however, is the first stretch where I simply could not continue walking. The smell was so intense that it made me feel like throwing up. Locals told HT that at any time of the day, men can be seen urinating along this wall. In fact, while I was at the spot, 2 men came to relieve themselves even as pedestrians continued to walk along the road beside the footpath. This continues despite Municipal Corporation of Delhi's bylaws, which classify public urination as a punishable offence carrying a fine of ₹500. While the stench remains the most pressing problem on this stretch, it is far from the only one. Broken tree branches lie scattered across the footpath, while piles of construction material and broken paving slabs occupy much of the remaining space. Further, the footpath abruptly comes to an end, giving way to a taxi stand and forcing people onto the streets to continue their journey.
As you can see that despite the presence of footpaths, pedestrians told HT that they rarely use them. One of the reasons they mentioned was that the stretch is frequently used as open urinal by men, and the smell at times is so overpowering that even walking on the road next to the footpath becomes difficult.